Staying with us, the Trump administration is attempting to remove the new CDC director, Susan Monarez, from her post, but she says she isn't trying to step down, and her attorneys are accusing HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. of weaponizing public health. Several other top officials also resigned. Natalie Brand has details from the White House.
Less than a month after she was confirmed by the U.S. Senate, the Trump administration has moved to terminate CDC Director Susan Monarez. The White House said in a statement she's not aligned with the president's agenda of making America healthy again. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. appeared on Fox News this morning.
The agency is in trouble and we need to fix it, and we are fixing it, and it may be that some people should not be working there anymore.
Attorneys for Monarez argue she was targeted after she refused to rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives and fire dedicated public health experts.
This is a complete meltdown at the CDC right now.
The shakeup comes as the FDA this week moved to limit who's eligible for the COVID vaccine.
You can have different opinions about policy, but when it comes to the science, that's a very different thing.
And less than 3 weeks ago, a gunman targeted CDC headquarters in Atlanta.
This was such a brazen attack on their security and their ability to continue to commit to the American people their great work.
Attorneys for Monarez say she's not resigning and that they're contesting the firing because the notification came from a White House staffer and not the president himself. At least 3 other top CDC officials publicly resigned after the announcement. Dr. Richard Besser is a former acting director of the agency.
The entire group of people who resigned yesterday are an important part of the brain trust that works to improve and protect the health of people here and around the world.
The chair of the Senate Health Committee, Senator Bill Cassidy, says the departures will require oversight, and ranking member Bernie Sanders is calling for a hearing.
Democratic Senator Patty Murray, who serves on the Senate Health Committee, has called for Secretary Kennedy to be fired, calling him, quote, a dangerous man who is determined to abuse his authority.